Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be jumping back with our Matplotlib series today. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video upon a time, and we build upon it. So today we're going to be looking at how to add a third axis to our figure off of the actual graph itself. So I'm a little bit embarrassed. I completely forgot to do this one. So all right, and we also then need to mess around with Tightlayout. We have not touched on that yet. So here we are. The last time we had our little graph, and we had an X and we had two Y's, but this we could use a little bit more information over here and maybe have the total amount of overtime pay. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's why it is so important that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So all right, this is going to go right after. So this is our third one. So ax3 equals ax1 dot twin. Just still logic, same logic. All right. Now this is a little weird. Spines. Now we want this to go on the right side. So right. Then set underscore position. Set position to the axis. And then a little bit of some padding, 1.15 off. There we go. Oops, if you get all your parentheses. See how I caught that? All right, now we're going to plot it. Oops. Missed that. 3.plot. Then still with our month variable, our overtime, p-value, line width. This is all pretty boring. 3. Now we got a new color. We're going to go K and label it. Let's see if I spell this right the first time. Cumulative overtime. Now, going to do this wrong the first time to show you why Tightlayout is important. So, all right, here we go. Oh, didn't get my label. No, forgot one thing. 3 dot set y label, and then overtime total. And comma label pad 10. All right, so this is going to have a problem. We're going to do this. It's not going to run. Helps if I spell everything correct. Twin X. Let's run this again. Here we are. So I want to show you where'd it go. Anybody see it? It's way off into the depths. So now this is how you solve this. PLT dot tight layout. Let's run this again. And boom. There we are. Make sure you guys can see this nice and clear. Cool. So here we are. One y-axis, second y-axis, third y-axis. And don't be freaked out if this is the first time you're seeing this. There is a link to my GitHub repository with this source code. So, and we're going to start doing that more and more. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. We're going to do one more. We're going to bounce back and forth between our 3D and another cool one that kind of ties into this, that is very useful in the industrial industries. So, all right. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.